Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Singh, your faculty for Indian Society and Social Justice topic of GS1 paper of UPSC Civil Services examination. To talk about myself, I have been teaching in the civil services field for almost 6 years now and have been associated with Unacademy platform since the beginning. And thereafter, I have been also teaching at some of the offline institutes like NextIS. My main subjects have been polity, current affairs, and sociology. Apart from that, I have done my BTech in computer science and engineering, and I've worked for some multinationals like Intel and Microsoft prior to teaching civil services examination. And I've been also working as a consultant advisor with Government of India and Government of UP in public policy. So apart from that, about my experience as in the field of civil services, I would like to say that with the changing dynamic scenario of the examination and also what we see around us, that we have pandemic situation now coming in, and most of the modes of learning has shifted to online. I think even UPSC has transformed itself in the kind of questions that they're asking, which is now more global than more Indian. So considering that, I think the need of the hour for every aspirant nowadays is to see more global, being rooted in the grounds as well, but visualize global, like what global impacts can have, issues can have an impact on Indian society also, not just from the perspective of, let's say, foreign policy, but also what global events can have an impact in Indian society, like, for example, Me Too movement, etc. Apart from that, as far as achievements are concerned, there have been quite number of top rankers, which I have been fortunate enough to say that I have been guiding them from All India Rank 4 to All India Rank 100, All India Rank 123, All India Rank 40 since 5-6 years. Have been students. I have been able to guide them in their journey of UPSC preparation. Now coming to Prep Ladder, so I really like the idea of how Prep Ladder has conceptualized and visualized the mechanism on how they plan to deliver high quality content to all the aspirants throughout India, and making it reachable and affordable with their QU Bank series, test series, and innovative platform and innovative teaching methodology, more importantly. And again, one of the amazing things that I came to know is that they have specific top-notch quality for dedicated subjects. One best faculty, best in the field in that subject, teaching that particular subject of UPSC. And I think that is very important also, because what happens then, we have multiple plethora of resources that also kinds of create confusions in the minds of learners and aspirants. So I think that way, when you have a single dedicated faculty, apart from the innovative notes, the content, high enriched content, dedicated video lectures, in all a complete package, and that is what I think is gonna make UPSC preparation much easier for all of you. So I think Prep Ladder, in that way has done a remarkable job, and I'm really looking forward to my journey as a faculty at Prep Ladder. So coming to Indian Society and Social Justice topic of General Studies Paper 1. Now, most of the aspirants think कि ये टॉपिक बहुत ईजिली हो जाएगा, करंट अफेयर से पढ़ लेंगे हो जाएगा, बट एक्चुअली ऐसा होता नहीं है. और अगर आप देखेंगे प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, स्पेशली फ्रॉम पास्ट 3 years, ऑलमोस्ट 70 to 80 मार्क्स के जो क्वेश्चंस हैं आपके मेंस के पेपर में, वो सोसाइटी के टॉपिक से आ रहे हैं. आप इमेजिन करिए 250 मार्क्स का पूरा पेपर है, एंड 70 to 80 मार्क्स सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक सब्जेक्ट लेके जा रहा है, and that to a subject which is very dynamic. Now, when I say that it is dynamic, it does not mean कि आपको हर चीज़ उसकी current affairs में ही पढ़नी है. There are some basic concepts like secularism, regionalism, communalism, role of women organizations, evolution of women organization through history, what is Indian society like, Indian society कैसे evolve हुई है. Then of course comes the component of current affairs and how things are changing in India. ग्लोबल इवेंट्स, ग्लोबल इम्पैक्ट्स, ग्लोबल सिनेरियो का कैसे इवेंट जो है इंडिया की सोसाइटी पे इम्पैक्ट कर रहा है, स्पेशली पॉलिटिकल सिनेरियो, चाहे वो इकोनॉमिक सिनेरियो हो, चाहे वो आपका क्लाइमेट चेंज हो, डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट हो, all of these things combined have an effect on Indian society. So I myself will be trying to teach you this subject in such a holistic manner that you get a very broad view of the subject. I personally like to include a lot of images in my content to make it more enriching and more engaging. I like to use a lot of videos, I like to use a lot of GIFs so that you can visualize the subject. बिकॉज सोसाइटी के साथ एक और भी प्रॉब्लम है, जनरली पीपल फाइंड इट कि इसमें यू डोंट हैव दैट मच स्कोप ऑफ इनोवेशन, बट आई काइंड ऑफ डिसएग्री विद इट बिकॉज आई थिंक also because of the background of me teaching sociology from past 3-4 years. Sociology का एक बहुत बड़ा component है Indian society, and when you see these subjects playing a very very important role in examination, the best way to learn them is through visualizing and imagining things कि कैसा हो सकता था impact, what is the possible scenario right now, what can be the future impact of a particular issue, और जो चीज़ें अभी शायद US में हो रही हैं या फिर मिडिल ईस्ट में हो रही है, क्या उसका साइड इफेक्ट इंडियन सोसाइटी पे पड़ेगा, या जो आज इंडिया में हो रहा है क्या उसका स्पिल ओवर इफेक्ट विल गो टू सम अदर कंट्री एज वेल. सो इंडियन सोसाइटी इज नॉट जस्ट अ स्टडी ऑफ द सोसाइटी पर से लिविंग इन इंडिया, वी हैव ऑल्सो अ डायस्पोरा that is living outside India. So a lot of topics that way will be covered, encompassing all these things. So if you see previous year UPSC papers, you will see a lot of this content is pretty dynamic based on the scenario and whatever is happening. UPSC has a tendency of asking ऐसे questions जो ज़्यादातर न्यूज़ में रहते हैं, but उसको क्या करेंगे, they will try to link it with a lot of static subjects. So I in my subject will be trying to give you a holistic analysis कि कैसे इनको link करना है, and most importantly टॉपिक्स को कैसे आंसर करना है इन मेंस आंसर राइटिंग. सो आई विल बी फोकसिंग अ लॉट ऑन हाउ टू राइट एन इफेक्टिव आंसर in Indian society and social justice.